There is a difference between doing sports and sporting culture. अभी हमारे कुछ स्टेट्स में स्पोर्टिंग कल्चर है, जैसे हरियाणा में, पंजाब में, वो जो कल्चर है कि सुबह जाना है, सैर पे जाना है, वॉक पे जाना है, एक्सरसाइज करना है, पैशन, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर सोसाइटी, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ कल्चर. तो वो चीज पूरे देश में लाना है.
Please join me in welcoming Mr. Praveen Dabas, founder of PPL, the man behind one of India's fastest growing sports movement, the Pro Panja League.
जब आप एक जिम में या एक मोहल्ले में टेबल लगाते हैं तो पूरा मोहल्ला कम्युनिटी उस चीज से अडिक्ट हो जाता है. और भी बच्चे आते हैं, वो देखना शुरू करते हैं कि दो लोग लगे होते हैं टेबल पे.
Correct.
तो सब इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं देखने के लिए कि जीतेगा कौन, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी प्राइमल. तो पूरा मोहल्ला इकट्ठा हो जाता है. फिर वो जो बच्चे हैं वो देख के वो इंस्पायर हो जाते हैं, वो इंस्पायर भी होते हैं. द वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप इज अ ह्यूज थिंग. जो इंडिया को राइट्स मिली है वर्ल्ड आर्म रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आर्म रेसलिंग इवेंट्स द वर्ल्ड हैज सीन. People are very excited to come to
Yeah,
India.
it's a big thing.
Because they have also seen what Pro Panja League is doing.
So it's a big achievement.
It's years of hard work.
I'm sure you are getting support from Ministry of.
They supported us a lot during the Asian Championship. NOCs वगैरह sports ministry ने दिया, home ministry, external affairs. तो वो सब बहुत support मिला है उस हिसाब से. They have also created an atmosphere where sports can prosper also in the country.
One quality Gen Z has that our generation didn't.
I think they are much more chill, and especially they are much more open to experiences, and they have less anxiety about new experiences, and they're also in a way grounded, but like I said, they don't have peer pressure. मैंने आपको बोला था ये बड़ा touchy topic है.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nav Nishal, your host of the day. Before we begin, I want to take a moment to acknowledge something important. It's Movember, Men's Health Month. A reminder that while men are expected to be strong, tough, and silent, the reality is that many men struggle quietly with stress, pressure, and emotional battles they never talk about. This conversation today is not just about fitness or sport, it is about men's well being, both mental and physical. And there is no better guest to talk about strength in all its forms than man sitting with me today. I will quickly introduce our guest of today, an actor, a director, and an entrepreneur. He is founder of PPL, the man behind one of India's fastest growing sports movement, the Pro Panja League. He is a true champion of fitness and disciplined living. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Praveen Dabas to Movember Podcast. Welcome to the show, Praveen. Let's dive straight into our conversation. So my first question to you is that you are an actor, you have been a director, and now you are an entrepreneur. And I think whenever somebody is becoming an entrepreneur, they have some motive, they have some passion, and they are always solving a problem. So I wanted to know that what motivated you to start this niche and noble initiative, Pro Panja League. So what is the story behind this?
I was a sportsman in my school and college days as well. Not a great sportsman, but I was always very passionate about sports, and even watching. I've always loved watching sports. And as we know, the sporting culture in our country has not been great. One of the things we are working towards as a country as a whole is becoming much better at sports. We can see the government trying so much. And I always wanted to get involved in sports. So this was our endeavor, but I did not want to get involved in a sport where there were already a lot of other people. जैसे हम
Crowded.
अगर एक और स्टेट क्रिकेट टीम ले लेते तो क्या फर्क पड़ता?
Exactly.
कबड्डी में कहीं आ जाते तो क्या फर्क पड़ता?
Correct.
They're already doing
Yeah.
so well.
Something innovative.
Something innovative, and जहाँ पे हमारे आने से फर्क पड़े कम्युनिटी को, athletes को,
Right.
and all that. Or so that is where when we put our thinking cap on, I thought about Punjab, because we also wanted to come in a sport which we find entertaining, exciting.
Right.
I like combat sports. It's an aggressive sport, but it's a non-violent sport.
Yeah.
And एक ये था कि it's not an expensive sport, because I did not want to come into a sport
Yeah.
which was for the elite,
Yeah.
so to speak. So it's a very egalitarian sport जिसमें आपको खेलने के लिए आप एक मोहल्ले में कम्युनिटी में टेबल लगा दो,
Correct.
पूरा कम्युनिटी खेल सकता है।
Exactly.
And people of all shapes and sizes, so it brings that whole community towards sport, towards fitness,
Correct.
towards strength, all of these
Correct.
things.
Yeah.
And it creates a sporting culture.
Yeah.
Because see, there is a difference between doing sports and sporting culture.
Correct.
अभी हमारे कुछ स्टेट्स में स्पोर्टिंग कल्चर है, जैसे हरियाणा में,
हाँ, हरियाणा
पंजाब में
हाँ।
था, थोड़ा सा भी
हाँ।
डाउन गया, लेकिन
हाँ,
वापस आएगा।
वापस आए।
तो वो जो कल्चर है कि सुबह जाना है, नहीं सैर पे जाना है, वॉक पे जाना है,
Passion,
एक्सरसाइज करना है,
हाँ,
पैशन जो
हाँ।
एक इट्स पार्ट ऑफ योर सोसाइटी, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ कल्चर।
Culture, yeah.
तो वो चीज पूरे देश में लाना है, और ये ऐसी चीजों से आएगा जहां पे आप चलो शुरुआत इस चीज से करो क्योंकि इजी है। Then when you grow up seeing your parents and your brothers sisters doing it, then you get interested in sport, something else, this and that. So वो एक कल्चर लाना जरूरी है। This is our way of bringing sports into the mainstream.
Understood. So I think you are creating an impact in society, and you already told me that it is also helping in community building as well.
Absolutely, because जब आप एक जिम में या एक मोहल्ले में टेबल लगाते हैं, तो पूरा मोहल्ला कम्युनिटी उस चीज से अडिक्ट हो जाता है, और भी बच्चे आते हैं, वो देखना शुरू करते हैं कि दो लोग लगे होते हैं टेबल पे,
Correct.
तो सब इकट्ठे हो
हाँ।
जाते हैं देखने के लिए कि जीतेगा कौन।
Correct.
क्योंकि
Correct.
इट्स अ स्वैग थिंग, इट्स अ यू नो एक थोड़ा ईगो वाली चीज भी है। तो बिकॉज इट्स वेरी प्राइमल, ये दो लोग सिर्फ हाथ से कर रहे हैं, तो इससे ज्यादा प्राइमल क्या है। तो पूरा मोहल्ला इकट्ठा हो जाता है, फिर वो जो बच्चे हैं वो देख के वो इंस्पायर हो जाते हैं, वो
बच्चे
इंस्पायर
inspire
भी होते हैं।
Yeah.
सो ऐसे जैसे हमारा अभी वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप बल्गेरिया में हुआ था, तो वहाँ पे एक हमारा दिल्ली का ही बच्चा राजवीर सिंह, वो गोल्ड जीत के है यूथ या उससे जो छोटा कैटेगरी है उसमें। और 2 साल पहले भी हमारा एक मेरठ का लड़का है अब्बास राना, वो भी जीत के आया था सेम कैटेगरी में। तो ये जो यंग यंग बच्चे हैं, और वर्ल्ड वालों को बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है अभी कि यार इंडिया से बच्चे गोल्ड निकाल के आ रहे हैं। और वर्ल्ड प्रेसिडेंट ने बोला था मिस्टर आसिन ने इस साल कि अगर कुछ साल पहले तुम हम मुझे बोल दे कि एक इंडियन लड़का बल्गेरियन, रशियन, यूक्रेन, कजाकिस्तान के एथलीट्स को हरा के गोल्ड लेगा, तो मैं बिलीव नहीं करता।
हाँ।
तो लेकिन आज ये हो रहा है।
Correct.
क्यों? क्योंकि इंस्पिरेशन मिल रहा है कि बाकी जो सीनियर खिलाड़ी अभी हैं, जो फेमस होते जा रहे हैं प्रो पंजाब लीग की वजह से, उनको देख के बाकी भी बच्चे आ रहे हैं।
Right. Praveen, you are a co-founder of Pro Punjab League, and I mean you keep on meeting a lot of athletes. So imagine there are two athletes of similar physical strength and different emotional resilience and mental focus. So I want to understand, does good mental health or mental well-being, does it impact positively?
Very much. Because see, sports is a mental game. You have already won or lost before you get there almost. Of course. देखिए 50-50 होता है वो परफॉर्मेंस पे, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बिकॉज यू हैव टू हैव डन ऑल द हार्ड वर्क। बट जैसे देखिए आप ओलंपिक्स में भी है, 0.1 सेकंड का फर्क होता है कई बार,
बिल्कुल।
यू नो मीन। तो वो एक द थिंग बिटवीन विनिंग एंड लूजिंग इज वेरी
Correct.
थिन समटाइम्स।
Mhm.
So before every Pro Punjab League, before every major tournament, I give a pep talk to the kids because they have to believe, and that is a belief we're putting in them right now कि इंडिया किसी से पीछे नहीं है, वी आर नॉट सेकंड टू नॉन। और ये जो बिकॉज इन्होंने इनके नाम सुने हुए हैं, फेमस फेमस एथलीट्स हैं जिनके साथ ये टेबल पे आते हैं अभी इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट।
Mhm.
मैंने कहा ये भी इंसान ही है, ये कोई वो नहीं है कि हम
Right.
हम इनको क्यों नहीं हरा सकते।
हम्म।
यू नो मीन, हम उतनी मेहनत करेंगे
हाँ।
तो हरा सकते हैं, व्हाई नॉट। और हराना शुरू किया है।
हाँ।
So that is very important.
But in somewhere in our
Mental game,
हाँ,
yes, you have to have that belief that ये कुछ नहीं है और मैं इसको हराऊंगा.
हाँ.
That positivity
correct.
and that mental belief that I can beat anyone. But
Yeah.
you have to do the training. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप believe में मैं नहीं. That is not enough. That belief has to be there. With the training has to be of that high level. So and then that belief has to be there that I can beat this person. That is the difference between winning and losing.
Ah. So-
Sometimes is the mental game.
I totally agree with you that mental health, mental well-being has very important role to play while playing these matches.
Sometimes you get into the head of your opponent. You know, Steve Waugh used to talk about mental disintegration of the opponent, right? Which is very important. And why is our Indian cricket team now, since Saurav Ganguly, and I'm a big, big fan of Saurav Ganguly, उनके आने के बाद हमारी इंडियन टीम बाहर और इंडिया में इतना अच्छा क्यों कर रही है? अभी साउथ अफ्रीका वाला टेस्ट सीरीज भूल जाओ, उसके बाद वनडे जीत चुके हैं, वो तो चलता रहता है।
हाँ.
बट because there is a belief since sort of Ganguly
Yeah,
came in.
yeah. Change in body language. After
The
that,
change of body language की
हाँ,
हम किसी से कम नहीं,
कम
तुम क्या हो? You know what I
exactly.
mean? जो उन्होंने उधर लॉर्ड्स में जीत के वो टी-शर्ट उतारा था,
exactly.
that is what you need.
Yeah.
That is the mental game and
Yeah.
strength you need.
Yeah.
That is mental.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? So that is what is and that is what is imbibed now. आप देखो विराट कोहली को सबका अलग-अलग वो है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You know what I mean? But that comes from belief in your abilities.
Yeah.
That is what is that. See, because that when you have that body language and that mental belief, the other guy is looking. See, it's like at the end of the day, we are also primal animals, evolved. But animals smell fear or smell negativity. And they jump on that. So that is why, but they also smell ki positivity, ye to already lag raha hai ki jeetega. So you get on the back foot. So all of these things are mental games which are also very important and show a very strong belief in your capabilities कि मैं किसी भी position में हूँ, मैं जीत सकता हूँ. You know, because even in arm wrestling, a lot of times you're down here, and athletes have come back from here to pick it and win. That is not just capability, but mental belief.
Right.
कि अभी मैं हारा नहीं हूँ, जब तक पैड पे टच नहीं होता, जब तक रेफरी नहीं बोलता,
हाँ,
जब तक मैं हारा नहीं, किसी भी एंगल से आप वापस जीत सकते हो.
Understood. You have built Pro Panja League a national movement, and season 3 is also coming. World Championship is happening in India.
And the World Championship is a huge thing. जो इंडिया को राइट्स मिली है वर्ल्ड आर्म रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आर्म रेसलिंग इवेंट्स द वर्ल्ड हैज सीन. You know, people are very excited to come to
Yeah,
India.
it's a big thing.
Big
It's
thing
a big
because
thing.
they have also seen what Pro Panja League is doing.
Yeah.
They have seen the way we are doing events, and
Yeah,
because of that,
how professionally you are
professionally
you are
doing
managing
it. तो जब अभी हमारा एशियन चैंपियनशिप हुआ था मई में दिल्ली में, तो पूरा जो वर्ल्ड फेडरेशन की टीम है, इंक्लूडिंग द प्रेसिडेंट आसिन, मिस्टर आसिन एंड जनरल सेक्रेटरी मिर्चिया, all of them had come to see because they had just heard about it.
Yeah,
Because Asian Federation वाले सब आके देख चुके थे,
correct.
राइट? इन्होंने बस सुना था, देखा नहीं था.
But now
जब उन्होंने आके देखा, इवेंट शुरुआत शुरू नहीं हुआ था, उन्होंने बस टीम और पूरा सेटअप देखा. They said you're ready. They said you're ready.
correct. So it's a big achievement.
Yeah,
It's a big achievement.
But it's years of hard work and thought process and everything, and it's still a lot of hard work because अभी हुआ नहीं है. You know, ये नहीं है कि मिल गया है. It's the start. Yeah. So there's a lot of hard work in putting it together, and because at the end of the day, there is a lot of pride that we take, especially in Pro Panja, being the world's biggest arm wrestling, event in the world, and being made in India.
Correct.
Viksit Bharat.
Yeah.
तो ये एक made in
I'm
India
sure
product है.
you are getting support from Ministry of
Not yet. उनका सपोर्ट मिलेगा तो हो सकता है और भी आगे चल जाए. जो भी किया अभी खुद गया है. But we have been in touch with the government. They supported us a lot during the Asian Championship. कि NOCs वगैरह स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ने दिया, होम मिनिस्ट्री, एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स, तो वो सब बहुत सपोर्ट मिला है उस हिसाब से. फाइनेंशियल अभी नहीं मिला है, वो भी हम होप करते हैं वो भी आना शुरू हो जाएगा. बट दे हैव ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड एन एटमोस्फियर वेयर sports can prosper also in the country. So I think that is a very big, achievement of the government.
You have already, now Pro Panja League is a brand, and you are impacting positively society, community, and you are helping in creating a strong culture of fitness and sports in India. How healthcare ecosystem can support this further?
See, we do want to tie up with certain, healthcare systems to make recovery possible and within reach of our athletes, where possibly we can, provide the chain publicity, other things. Because जो बच्चे हैं in the recovery period, they're not coming from very big and their
Yeah.
money is coming into the system, but it's not at the level of kabaddi or cricket yet,
Yeah.
right? So the recovery is the biggest things because because arm wrestling is very different sport. There's a lot of
Yeah.
stress which comes on the system.
Correct.
So there is certain recovery things that are needed for the athletes, which will help them recover much faster and get to the table faster. So that is what we are looking forward to.
Some collaboration.
With the health industry. And I think there's a lot that we can also provide because the there's a lot of data that we can provide because these athletes are very, different from other athletes. Inka training system alag hai. The stress that they can take on their body because they are doing different kinds of exercises to develop their ligaments, tendons, and everything to take that kind of stress. You know what I mean? A normal person cannot do that,
Right.
but they've gone through that
Okay.
training. But because of that, the recovery period is also very necessary. Yeah.
So my next question to you is, Praveen, about today's generation. In today's time, Gen Zs, and if not only Gen Zs, everybody is glued to their phone, right? And Gen Zs are
ये
addicted,
Gen Z वाला टॉपिक बड़ा डेलिकेट है बड़ा टची है
and they are, that's why I'm picking this up,
yeah
and they are addicted to social media and a big time. I remember in my time we used to go out and play, but now kids are, they are glued to their phone. They are, even if they are playing some game, they are playing the games on the phone only. But you made a change, and you are trying to bring these
Yeah.
people out. You are trying to bring these kids out of their home. So it's a big movement. What is your take on these Gen Zs, about what should they do to change the entire
आजकल तो
scenario?
Gen Z नहीं सबके माँ बाप भी एडिक्टेड हो गए हैं रील्स पे एक दूसरे को भेजने के लिए बट यस इट इज अ particularly Gen Z issue as well because a lot of times especially the youngsters they just want to sit in their room and chat or go through it or play games or that is an issue but I think there's a balance because you cannot get away from it right so there's a balance which is needed where they are put them out play sports like we're saying and sometimes it depends on what the phone is being used for also sometimes there are many creative things one can use. You can make paintings, drawings on it, but of course you're still glued to it. So rather than just because brain rot is a real thing nowadays. If you see the kind of things that kids are watching on YouTube, and I include our own in it because हमको तो नजर आता है ना सब
हाँ, बिल्कुल
हमारे घर में एक्सपेरिमेंट चल रहा है इस चीज का
correct.
so they love to watch the most I don't want to call it useless but in a way because उससे उनको कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है
हाँ.
लेकिन उस सेकंड में उनको एंटरटेनमेंट मिल रहा है उस चीज से
That is called dopamine hit. They are
yeah so you're getting that dopamine hit which is what social media is engineered to do right so and that thing of like so we have kept our kids away from social media we've not allowed them to account the older one has just to see others but not posting or anything we have a certain control restrictions on that and not to post. We don't post any pictures of our kids. A lot of Gen Z also wants to sit at home and expect you to send them a check at home.
correct.
So it's not easy hiring from Gen Z also with all due respect to them. But I'm talking about a practical thing. क्योंकि उनको ये है कि यार मैं घर बैठे बैठे क्यों नहीं भेज रही हूँ मैं
हाँ.
तो वो that thing that we grew up with,
Yeah.
of having to actually work and do things and you deserve them that thing. वो थोड़ा सा अभी किस वजह से वो मुझे नहीं मालूम कि इसी उसमें है बट वो थोड़ा सा
It will take some time.
it will take some time for them so we try to really but it's very hard because it's a generational thing
Correct.
of expecting things the phone is both a very dangerous tool as well as a tool which can do a lot of good
Yeah.
if you take AI right now so I'm actually trying to in our office also push people towards using AI we've used it already in some promos I'm trying to get my kids to understand it and use it because I think it can be a really useful tool
Yeah.
for the future where यार इतना रिसर्च आपको करना पड़ता था हफ्ते हफ्ते रिसर्च करते थे और वो 2 मिनट में अभी आप
You
समरी करके
just like
Just
Vinny,
like-
you get everything.
yeah so it depends see don't use it like Google you have to use it as an educational tool
Yeah.
if there's something you want to learn something this so I think the phone like I said it's a two-edged sword so it all depends on how you are teaching
effectively
your,
you're
your
using-
kids and the good
Yeah.
thing about tier 2 tier 3 cities is उधर भी देखिए उतना ही फोन है हम बोलेंगे उधर कम है कम नहीं है
Exactly, because internet is available.
internet is available everywhere
Yeah.
but that is where sports comes in and that is where sports gets them into this vibe definitely at the end of the day see they still want to make reels of the sport and put it on
Yeah,
exactly. and put it on reels तो but ठीक है
हाँ.
उसके लिए उनको sport तो करना पड़ेगा
Correct.
So,
Yeah, they have to.
you
They
have
have
to
to do
actually
something.
do it.
Yeah.
that is one way of making sure people are grounded in reality still and and do sports and a sport which is I wouldn't say easier to do but at least you don't have to go to a court. You don't have to go here, there. Every gym can have
Yeah.
a
A table
a
and
table, and that is our aim actually, to put a
correct.
table in every gym, and every school, every college.
Understood. So now we are moving to our.
मैंने आपको बोला था ये बड़ा टची टॉपिक है.
So we are moving to our next round, which is rapid fire round, and this is my favorite round. So I'll ask you a couple of questions, one line or one word answer, whatever you feel like. One fitness myth Indians should stop believing.
मिथ्स तो बहुत हैं लेकिन that there is a lot of protein in a vegetarian diet.
Exactly, right. Arm wrestling about strength, technique, or mindset.
All three.
Your favorite exercise for pure functional strength.
It's not my favorite, but the one which is best for functional strength is burpees.
Wow. One supplement you genuinely trust and use. No brand name, please.
I don't take, but आजकल मैंने थोड़ा सा शिलाजीत लेना शुरू कर दिया as gummy.
Does it help?
I think so. Let's see. But I stopped taking protein or a lot of other supplements. I'm trying to get what I can out of a natural diet. But शिलाजीत is one thing.
One fitness rule you never break.
ब्रेक तो सब हो जाता है लेकिन uh, I think it's very important every day to do at least 20-25 minutes of चाहे आप चाहे वॉक कर लो, और अगर टाइम नहीं है तो आप घर में कर लो.
हाँ.
एंड उसमें भी वॉक में भी मैं ये बोलूंगा कि समटाइम्स वॉक इज नॉट इनफ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, अगर 20 मिनट है मेरे पास तो मैं घर में वेट्स डालता हूँ बैग में और अपने पीठ पे डाल के अप एंड डाउन चलता हूँ, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स मोर रेजिस्टेंस एंड स्ट्रेंथ.
Who is the strongest person you have ever met in Pro Panja League?
Our number one athlete, Mazahir, he is Mazahir Saidu.
Okay.
He is extremely strong. And जितना strong है, real life में उतना ही soft है.
Soft.
He's a CA by profession and he works in Sharjah.
Oh wow.
So, दिन में सूट बूट पहन के he's corporate, and then he becomes the table, and he's
तो वो सबसे strong है
he's one of
Pro
the-
Panja League.
Yeah,
Wow. Acting or entrepreneurship, which one is difficult?
everything is difficult. But I think in acting, see, it's a much more focused thing. आप 1-2 महीने 2-3 महीने आप वो करके आप and you finish that project, and you're doing publicity and everything. But entrepreneurship is a lifelong thing. While you are with that project, there is no day off that you can take. So like we were talking earlier, every day there's a new challenge, new thing. जितना सक्सेसफुल होता है उतना ही ज्यादा लोग लेना चाहते हैं कि आपने क्या सक्सेस लिया है, हमको भी उसमें से चाहिए कुछ. So every day there's a new challenge.
A message for India's youth about fitness.
About fitness, I would say fitness is also 80% diet. So try to stay away from processed foods, junk foods. इतना आसान हो गया है. मैंने देखा है कई सारे पेरेंट्स स्नैक्स में चिप्स विप्स डाल देते हैं. आप जो पहले जो केला सेब, ये these things are much better as snacks and a lot more energy. ये जो चिप्स की आदत है and all this, इससे थोड़ा दूर हटना है, because processed foods are the biggest, I think, problem to health and fitness right now.
One health habit every man should start today.
I would say, see, at least 30 minutes exercise. And I'm more than walk. See, I'm not a big believer in walk unless, जैसे मैंने कहा कि थोड़ा वेट अगर आपने डाला है पीठ पे तो वो रेजिस्टेंस हो जाता है. अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं आता, आप सीढ़ियाँ अप एंड डाउन चढ़ लो. जैसे मैं कई बार जब बाहर जाता था शूट पे, और अगर ऐसी जगह पे होटल था जहाँ पे नहीं है या जिम नहीं था, तो मैं, और टाइम कम है, सो द बेस्ट इज अ हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट, HIIT, एंड वन ऑफ देम द बेस्ट थिंग्स इज going up and down the stairs.
One emotion men should express more openly.
I don't think it's a matter of changing men's habits. I don't believe in that ki men should be more feminine and all that. I don't believe in that, quite frankly. I'm a little old school like that. I feel men should be men. Yeah. Women should be women. But I don't mean women in the traditional sense. See, women should be leaders very much. Our association, the federation is run by Preeti, the only sports president in India right now.
Wow.
She's doing a great job. She's a vice president in the Asian Championship, in the Asian Federation also. But that doesn't mean you have to lead like a man or what you think. What I mean is, men are naturally meant to be, stronger, blah, 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 all of this. and women can still be, how they are, feminine, but still be great leaders. What I mean is, in your mind, you don't have to feel "Ki this is a man's job, this is a woman's job." You know what I mean? You can be what you are, and still be great leaders in anything. A man can be a chef, right? In it's सोचने में ये होगा कि you don't have to become, oh, all of a sudden it's a woman's. No, some of the greatest chefs in the world are men, right? So I don't believe that way in changing. जो हैं जैसे हैं
You are
वो ठीक है.
one quality Gen Z has that our generation didn't.
I think they are much more chill, and especially they are much more open to experiences, and they have less anxiety about new experiences, and all, especially on the international arena. And I'll give you an example. Is like recently, my son also went to Spain with his football club to play, and there was no kind of thing. अरे बाहर से हम अपनी उम्र में यार बाहर जा रहे हैं क्या? Like
Exactly.
we would be nervous बाहर कैसे हो? But nowadays it's become such an international arena where they're playing games online and they're playing with guys from all over there. So that thing of going abroad, that thing is not there. So I think that is a very good thing that they have. Is there's no kind of a thing of, oh, outside is like this, and all of that. And they're also, I feel, in a way, grounded, but like I said, they don't have that pressure or even peer pressure.
Correct. My last question. Who wins in arm wrestling match between you and Preeti?
That is, you don't have to think also. हम जीत तो सकते ही नहीं है.
Correct.
हो चुका है 2-3 बार, हार चुका हूं मैं 2-3 बार. हो
You
चुका
have to. You have to.
है. Yeah.
Thank you very much,
Pleasure.
Praveen. Thank you very much.